Hi, welcome to SONNY'S, the car wash factory. I'm Dan Kaiser, the operations manager, and I'm here in our Tamarack facility where we make all of our equipment. Here we are in our conveyor welding cell, and we've added probably double the amount of employees over the past year to maintain our ability to deliver with the absolutely unbelievable growth in the industry. Our conveyor welding team is able to produce, build, paint, ship up to 6 miles of conveyor in a single year. We're going to head out to the rest of the shop and take a look at some other things, other cool stuff that we've got going on. For more, check out www.sonnysdirect.com/VR.